Hello, and welcome to this demo. My name is Nicholas, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you how document and contract management work within Rillion One. I'll show you how to upload new documents, create a folder structure, how to give different people access to different agreements, and how to search for the information as well as extract reports. We're logged in here as an administrator, and up here in the menu, you can see that I have access to the Documents and Agreements module. I'll click here, and we can see an overview of all of our documents and agreements. At the top, we see document types, and below, we see my document categories, which is a folder structure that I've built into my demo account. As we can see here, I've built up my folder structure so I can use it for process management. In this case, I use it for onboarding of new customers. To upload new documents, click on Create, and here we upload the documents directly from the computer. I choose which document type I want to use, and if I want to put the document into a specific folder. Document type is a document template that you build yourself so that you can add the information you need. We'll go back to the overview and into a document that I've uploaded. This is a new customer agreement awaiting technical delivery. Here you see several different tabs that we name ourselves to be able to add the information that's important. All fields are also searchable. We see here that Petra is responsible for this agreement. This also means that she has access to the agreement and receives emails before the final termination date if we have that setting activated. We can add notes, and here we also can control who else should have access to this agreement, as well as whether or not we want someone else to receive emails linked to this agreement. Access can be given both to an individual or to a group, making it easy to maintain by changing the people in the group. I'll go back to the overview and click here to enter a supplier agreement. As we can see, I have linked the agreement to the supplier register in the Invoice module within Rillion One. And then we have a direct connection from the invoice to my supplier agreements and can easily review the agreement at the time we approve invoices to ensure that the vendor is charging according to the agreement. A quick look on what that'll look like. We can pull up one of our invoices here and easily reference our Documents and Contracts tab. From here we can see the information that we've uploaded relevant to this vendor and be able to see any of those documentation in a well-organized fashion. I'll go back to the document module and click on Document Search. Just like in the Invoice module within Rillion One, we have a Search Text and PDF section. This means that you can search all the words on a document that you've added, provided that they are data generated or scanned with the OCR capture. I have many more choices that I can make for searching documents, and you get a simple overview of our documents. If we, for example, want to get an overview of the contracts that are about to expire. All of this can of course be exported to an Excel, or we can save the documents as a combined PDF. I'll click on the customer agreement for Carl's Construction, and we can dive into that again. How do we create the structure for categories and document types? Well, up here in the menu, you'll see the documents category. We specify the name that we want in the folder, who should have access to it, and then save. We'll go up to the document types and click on Customer Agreements. Here we can activate the fields and functionality we want for this document template. We can scroll down to see optional text fields, and then back here up at the top, we can choose who has access to see the documents that have this document template. And we've reached the conclusion of our Documents and Contracts demonstration. Thank you for watching this walkthrough, and on our YouTube channel, you'll be able to find more product videos. Please don't hesitate to contact us for more information and pricing.